Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're discussing the top picks for performance and value for the CPU Ryzen 5 76. Guys, choosing the right motherboard for your Ryzen processor can make or break your build. Today we're diving into the best options that offer incredible performance, connectivity and value. Whether you're a gamer, content creator or just building your own PC, first PC, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. Okay guys, so the very first board of the 4 in total that we will review in this video and recommend to you is the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3. This board is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a balance between cost and functionality. It supports PCIe 3.0, has an optimized power design and comes with M.2 Shield Frozza to keep your SSDs cool during those long gaming sessions. It's perfect for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. Okay guys, the next board we have is Asus TUF B550M Plus. So with military-grade components, this motherboard ensures durability and reliability. It offers AI noise cancelling for your audio, making it a solid choice for streamers and professionals. Plus, the support for PCIe 4.0 gives you faster storage in graphics cards speeds. Okay guys, so are you looking for something more premium? Well, the Asus ROG B550F Gaming is a powerhouse with a Wi-Fi 6 or a Sync RGB lighting and robust VRM cooling. It's a great option for overclockers and enthusiasts. If you're building a high-performance PC, this motherboard has everything you need. Okay guys, so the last board that we have is this one, right? So if you're planning a mini ITX build, check out the Gigabyte A520i AC. Don't let its small size fool you. This motherboard packs a punch with built-in Wi-Fi, dual M.2 slots and solid power delivery. It's ideal choice for the compact yet powerful setups. Alright guys, so there you have it, our top picks for the Ryzen 5. Each of these motherboards offer unique features, so make sure to choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which motherboard you're going for. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check the links in the description for more details. If you want to buy any one of these products, the links are in the description guys. Thanks for watching, see you next time.